Welcome friends in our Panasonic robot training how to use the teach pendant. This is the part 34 and here we discuss collision sensitivity monitor. Setting the collision sensitivity too high can cause false detection of collision. Setting the collision sensitivity too low can lead false operation as it may fail to detect collision quickly. This collision sensitivity monitor is useful as it tells you the assignable recommended value of the collision sensitivity in the current robot operating condition, including motion program, load installation, and so on. Such data can be used to check validity of the load parameters for collision detection and also to review the settings. Next, how to monitor the collision sensitivity. First, specify conditions such as speed and smooth level correctly. Second, install the load including wiring work and TW mounting angle correctly. Third, set the load number and enter the load parameters and collision sensitivity to be applied correctly. Use either standard load number or load command to specify the applied load number. Load command setting has priority over the standard load number setting. In case of installing load for the first time, set the collision sensitivity for all access to 0%. Fourth, open the collision sensitivity monitor and click the RST, that means reset icon. Fifth, run all motion programs to be used. Use actual programs and repeat them. No special test program is needed. It is preferable to run motion programs with many motion cycles. Friends, you can see all this procedure in this image. Here you can see click view display change load factor collision sense monitor. Here you can see collision sensitivity recommended set value collision torque RT collision sensitivity recommended is 85.9%, set value 80%, and collision torque minus 4.1%, UA 96.8%, 80% 0.0%, FA 88.3%, 80% minus 1.7%, RW 100%, 80% 0.0%, BW 73.1%, 80% minus 16.9%, TW 75.1%, 80% minus 14.9%. Recommended value is set value 30% at octaves reset. Sixth is display the collision sensitivity monitor. Screen refer to the recommended values on the collision sensitivity monitor. Screen and re-enter sensitivity values. Collision sensitivity recommended assignable value of the collision sensitivity calculated based on the collision torque. Set value current set value of the collision sensitivity collision torque. Detect maximum collision torque RST. Click it to reset values on the screen. Recommended value lower than the set value adjustment decreases the sensitivity setting value. Higher than the set value increase the sensitivity setting value. Here you can see a note. It does not change the set values to the recommended collision sensitivity values automatically. In case there are more than one load, set appropriate load parameters for each load. When a collision is detected, lower the collision sensitivity of the collided axis and then monitor to collision sensitivity at the collided point to check the recommended collision sensitivity once again. Note: in order to avoid false detection of collision by changing collision sensitivity significantly, the recommended collision sensitivity values are limited to set value plus 30% at maximum. If set value plus 30 is indicated as recommended value, there may be more room to increase the collision sensitivity. Reset the collision sensitivity monitor and run the program once again. Values of the collision sensitivity indicated on the screen can be updated when a load number is newly specified or when a load command is newly executed. The values of the collision torque indicated on the screen can be updated only with a value higher than the currently indicated one unless they are reset by clicking the reset icon. That is when a load number is newly specified or when a load command is newly executed. If a value of the new collision torque is smaller than the one on the screen, the value on the screen remain unchanged. If the collision sensitivity is set to 80% or higher, it also becomes sensitive to environmental changes such as temperature and age. In other words, it may wrongly detect environmental changes as collision. Therefore, it is recommended to periodically check the recommended collision sensitivity using this collision sensitivity monitor. The set values are retained even though the power is turned off or other programs are executed. It is necessary to delete the current data by clicking the reset icon and set new values if installed load parameters, collision sensitivity or other conditions is changed. Next one is soft limit settings. The operable range of each axis can be limited by means of software. This is called soft limit. Enter the range of movement minimum maximum of each axis. Click default button to set the ranges for all axes to the maximum for the applied model. Click set standard settings soft limit. Soft limit setting procedure you can see in this image. Here you can see RT minus 170 degree, 170 degree, UA minus 90 degree or 155 degree, FA minus 80 degree or 90 degree, RW minus 270 degree or plus 270 degree, BW minus 150 degree or 90 degree, TW minus 400 degree or 400 degree. Default OK cancel. Now next is jog settings. Jog is a type of operation to move the robot a little at a time. The jog settings is to set the robot travel distance corresponding to the jog dial increment. Cartesian specifies the robot travel distance in Cartesian moment per one click of the jog dial. Rotational specifies the rotational locomotion angle of the robot per one click of the jog dial. So friends, here we end this part of Panasonic robot, how to use the teach pendant. Further information we will discuss in our next video.